Facebook allows a lot of customization for your page, but did you know that you can also change its URL? My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your Facebook page's URL. Changing a page URL on Facebook is actually a rather simple thing to do. Let me just switch to Facebook. The first thing that we are going to do is that I'm going to switch from my private account to my Facebook page. Now in the Facebook page, click on the profile once again, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings once more. Once this loads up, on the left sidebar, scroll down until you see page setup. So we're going to click on that. Now in here, head over to your name, click on the view button. And now you can see the name of your page and the username as well. Since you want to edit the URL, go ahead and click on edit. And now you can change the URL as you want. Once you're done changing the URL, make sure that it's available. Go ahead and click on save changes. And that's it. Your Facebook URL has now been changed. If you want to change your Facebook page's URL on the phone app, the process is also largely the same. Just head over to the Facebook app. Now in here, tap on your profile icon to make sure that you're using your page. As you can see, I'm already logged into my page, so I don't need to switch my profiles. But if I was in my personal profile, I would tap on my profile button. Then I will tap on see more, scroll down, and then tap on pages. In here, you will see all of your pages. So select whatever page you want to manage and then tap on switch. Now tap on your page profile once again. Tap on the settings gear icon. In here, scroll down until you see page setup and then tap on it. Now tap on the view button in front of your name. And as you can see, you can now edit your name and the URL for your page. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.